Hey everybody. So this is not going to be a complete conduit installation because that would be way more involved, but we're going to give it the protection of conduit out here in the yard. Alright, time to deactivate this kitchen circuit and install temporary receptacle. Disconnecting that right here. I'll take this temporary wire I've got coming out of our wrong panel and put this receptacle on the floor. Which means we'll have to turn off the air conditioner. I hope I could do this fast enough. The first grounding conductor in the building. Fancy now. I think I would have made that tighter. That one too. Looking good. I already abandoned that. Okay. There's no way that we're gonna fish this around that corner. The receptacle down there.
Oh, the one that's on the other side of the wall.
Yeah,
there?
it goes
and
there.
Then it comes up to
and
this
then,
light. Where's this light fixture come from?
Well, I tell you.
Okay. If I shut up.
It goes to the receptacle and comes back this way, and then to the kitchen stuff. But that one is everything from overhead. It's supplied and then comes back out and is the light from overhead. If we're going to take the ceiling down,
then we'll wait until we take the ceiling down.
Then if we can get close to this wall and drop new ones for both of those, then that doesn't need to be on the kitchen circuit anyway.
No.
The receptacle on the other side is... You can't do that. Yeah, we just carefully pry off that trim there.
Because this is mitered and and nailed together right here.
Yeah, we're not taking that apart.
Because the bottom of this is flush to the bottom of the top.
Yep, no. We'll cut the drywall behind this and then put it back neatly there so there's no seam. So that insulation's been burning off for a while, and someone's solution was to tape it. I think we're going to need better tape. Okay, so this light switch for those is supplied from overhead. So we'll feed a new one in here after we take the ceiling down, which we have to do for structural improvements. Then this thing, well, it starts here. This goes to the receptacle under the desk there that we've been using and comes back around the corner over to here, up to the refrigerator receptacle, and then over to this one. Of course now, receptacle in the other room should not be on a kitchen circuit, so we'll supply that separately, and we'll fish a new one down when we take the ceiling down. This one, we'll do a dedicated for the refrigerator right from here, And we'll start another circuit here, which will fish in somehow. And that supplies the range hood and the garbage disposal. And it looks like there's a good chance we can fish a new range hood wire from over there, as that is moving over there as I tug on this. So there's something to do tomorrow. And there's the yard all filled in, with a little coil of new wire at each end, waiting for us to figure out how this went. So remember, if you'd like to contribute to the project, you can make a donation at fullerdomehome.com, which will be in the video description. And if you want to keep following the project, you can subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon if you want to be notified when new videos come up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.